Welcome to our modern apiary. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how pure honey is made, from nature to your table.
Modern production starts not with catching, but with identifying.
We select only strong, disease-free colonies with high honey potential.
Using ethical, non-harmful methods, we prepare the colony for safe relocation.
The colony is introduced to its new home, a climate-controlled smart hive.
Sensors monitor temperature, humidity, and colony health in real time.
Inside, bees convert nectar to honey, fanning wings to evaporate water.
Once perfect, each cell is sealed with a wax cap. Harvesting begins with robotic precision. Air blowers ensure minimal contact, keeping bees calm and honey clean. Our state-of-the-art facility processes over 1,000 frames every hour. A heated blade precisely removes the wax seal. With the heavy door sealed, the centrifuge engages, spinning the uncapped frames at high velocity to extract the golden honey. Spinning extracts pure honey, which flows to collection tanks.
Microfiltration removes impurities. No chemicals, no overprocessing.
Every batch undergoes rigorous lab testing.
Testing for moisture, purity, and the absence of pesticides or antibiotics.
Precision instruments verify every parameter.
Each batch is certified pure, meeting the highest standards.
Experience the pinnacle of automated precision, where every bottle is filled with unmatched speed and efficiency.
Labeled and coded for complete traceability.
Scan to see this jar's journey from hive to home.
Welcome to the future of packaging. A mesmerizing display of speed, precision, and unparalleled scale. Beyond the jar, honey becomes a universe of products.
From gourmet foods to skincare and raw comb.
Inventory is managed in climate-controlled, automated warehouses. Shipped globally via temperature-controlled cold chains. Connecting our sustainable apiaries to the world.
And that's the complete story of how pure honey is made today. Ethically sourced, technologically perfected, and naturally delicious.
It's a process that respects the bee, ensures purity, and delivers nature's gold.
Hit subscribe